So, still think pizza is the best?
Of course.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, you might say that. My chicken is the crispiest. It is golden as the sun.
What do you mean? Surely pizza is the best.
No way.
Come on, pizza is good.
What do you mean?
Pizza has many toppings and sauces.
Yeah, but mostly it's disgusting. Everyone likes chicken. Chicken is the best, the best.
Please, stop kidding.
I'm not kidding.
That's not true. Chicken is get boring over time and space.
What do you mean?
Pizza is the romance.
Romance?
No, I'm not joking.
Chicken is the best.
Pizza is the best. Your chicken is horrible.
Yeah, you win this time. And I have to go.
I told you.